Alright, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to do the extract DDL from the database. Basically, all the utilities used, it is basically the database vendor, supplied. So let's see my text file. So it's going to be extract ddl.txt. So let's start with the Oracle. So Oracle basically they use export DP, IMP and also there's another RDBMs packages, DBM underscore metadata. So I will show a simple example. The Db2 they have very useful tool called the Db2 look. You can extract schema, table very easily, also the whole database. Similar from MySQL, PostgreSQL, standard MySQL dump, and the PG dump. You can dump with data, without data, or both, And for the SQL Server, typically we use SSMS to extract the DDL tables, or the whole database. Also, there's a command line tool called MySQL scripter. Basically, you can extract as well. All right, so I'm going to demo you some examples. Let's start from Oracle. So from Oracle, it's going to be export DP. I just use the Scott schema as a, for a demo purpose. So the content equals metadata only and exclude the statistics. Let's return. Maybe I'll get an error probably. Yeah. So let's remove this file, because that is when I test it, it's already generated. They have an option you can overwrite this, but let's just try again. So it says this is basically look at it's very specific. See, processing, user, system grant, row grant, default grant, blah, table, index, and so on and so forth. Scott is a small schema, so it should be done quickly. But still, let me just pause for a while. To go through all the things being exported. This is the file it's being exported. This file is not readable because it is in the internal format. If you do you see, you're gonna see, okay, it's not a text file. In the Oracle world, you need to use, let's just cat again. So basically, what you can do a fake import and then generate a SQL. So basically, let's see, I'm going to import, and then the dump file. So this the dump file. I'm going to specify the dump file here. This is the default location, right? And then says SQL file equal, let's call the scott.sql. Okay, let's cd to this directory. Let's see if we can do this one. Okay, so import. Let me remove this path, and I think I maybe needed to specify to the /temp. Let's see if I can do this way. The same thing. Maybe, well, let me sudo to Oracle then. I think maybe some permission issue. Let's go here, cd db2. So I'm going to do scat sp file. Let's see this way. Okay, they can't just specify the dump file. Let me just do here. See if this is gonna work. Okay, so yeah, and let's take a look at the scat. Alright, see, this is where all the create tables and so on and so forth, all the DDL. So let me just remove this one. Okay, let's exit. So I'm back to my DBA. So the second I'm going to demo is Db2. So again, Db2. So Db2 list db directory. So I have a database called sample. So I'm going to just do a db2 look -d sample -e means extract. You can have other stuff, but I just show quick, and it's give the the table, the DDLs, all the information. You can save this to a file if you want. Okay. All right, let's go back. So now we move on to the MySQL. So MySQL is same thing. Typically, you use this for backup. Now we specify no data, and also this is the database name. So let's do a quick. Ask a password. Got a password. Let me remove this -p. Is that a password? No. So let me remove this one. Oh, still no. Okay. Okay, let's try my password. It's no, MySQL 123. Huh? One more time. No. SQL 123. Oh, let me find out my password. All right, let's continue. I find out my password. It's MySQL123. Okay, so you can redirect to a file. Let's see. Let's just call it DDL.SQL. Okay, so let's see. Oh, they wanted the password again. So MySQL123 more DDL. Okay, so let's give it. All right, let's cat the text file again. So basically, now I'm going to go to the Postgres. So the Postgres, we're going to use pgdump -u, the username, -s, the schema. So similar like a database, we have a database called a world. Let's go this one. So here is the DDL. Okay. And you can save as file as well. Okay, so let's get one more. For the SQL Server, we're going to use the command line. So if you don't have this one, you have to do install. It's pretty straightforward to install. I think previously I have a video to install SQL the scriptors, and it can be used on both Windows and Linux. So let's just use Windows Linux. So going to -s, you can connect to any database or SQL Server you like. I'm going to connect to a cluster. So, and -d is the test database, and -u and the password. And it should return fairly quick. Okay, so let's try a different database from different server. Let's try from my local test. I see what is the problem. My local one, it's probably because it's the reader replica. I'm not sure if they can extract. Oh, it extracted the definition as well. Let's try another different database. Let's see, there's another one called Adventure Works 2017. See. Let's see, set Adventure Works. Okay. Adventure TUI Adventure Works. Okay, I think it's gonna come in. All right, it's finished. So basically, you know, it's lots of information with this Adventure Works. All right, so this is end of this video. Basically, we demonstrated the typical way to extract DDL